Hello friends, today we are going to learn the spellings of the months of the year. Let's start. January, January, January. February, February, February. March, March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. December, December. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.